What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitzy, and today I present to you how to do your curry chicken in 10 minutes. Alright? I'm gonna do a quick curry chicken in 10 minutes and it's gonna taste so nice. Alright? So stay tuned.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. Believe
What you mean?
if I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, welcome back. So here are some of the ingredients that we have plus the chicken. So we're using about a pound of chicken breast, yeah, which is so easily to cook. Alright, so the technique that I'm going to use is very versatile. Alright, so here we cut up our chicken breast already, wash it with some vinegar already. Over here we have some honey, we have some curry, we have some onion powder and also some black pepper. We have some of the fresh ground season right here. We have the three type of bell pepper, red, yellow and green. We have white onion, we have the white Irish, the yellow Irish, and also some green onion with some scotch bonnet and some fresh thyme. Right, here are some of our season we using. So let's start the ball. First we're gonna add some salt, about quarter teaspoon, yeah, not a lot. Alright, secondly we're gonna add some ginger powder, quarter teaspoon, yeah. Ginger powder help to regularize your chicken. Now we're gonna add half teaspoon curry. Alright, we're gonna go in with some onion powder. So you notice we're using all our powder season now, our dry season, and then we're gonna go in with our ground season later. So half teaspoon onion powder. Going with our black pepper now, a quarter teaspoon. Good. Alright, we're gonna use some going with our all-purpose now, quarter teaspoon, not a lot. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and stir our chicken. Alright, so after we leave that now, we're gonna go ahead and start prepare our pot. Leave that to marinate for 2 minutes and then we're gonna go ahead and start prepare our pot. Alright, as you can see we have our pot heated and ready. We have about 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil inside of it. Now we're gonna add about quarter teaspoon or more of curry. Alright, so you're going to allow that curry to basically catch a more darker look when you put it in the oil, because you want to, normally they say burn the curry. Yeah, that's the way how you want your curry to look. Alright, the reason why you're doing that, when you do your curry like that, avoid it from getting any bellyache or anything. Alright, curry is something that's very easily can sick you. Alright, so the our curry burn. Now we're gonna put in our chicken. Gonna cover that and leave that for about a minute and then check it out after that. Alright, so after a minute this is how your curry started to look. Yeah, color started to come up what you're looking for. You're gonna go in with your yellow Irish potato. Remember you're cooking this on a 10 minutes, you know. Alright, going with all of your Irish potato. gonna go in now with about quarter cup of the water, quarter cup of water. You're gonna leave that to cook down for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Alright? Leave that to cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after about 8 minutes in our process, remember we're doing this curry chicken on a 10 minutes, alright? We're gonna put in all our bell pepper, rest our green onion, scotch bonnet, and thyme in our curry. We're gonna stir that and leave that to cook down for about 2 minutes, as you can see. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah? It's really beautiful. So we are approaching the 10-minute mark. As you can see, our curry chicken is ready. Ready to share. Look at how beautiful it is, yeah? Yeah, man. Look at it. Look at your curry chicken. Ready to share. So now I'm gonna put it out in a plate. Let you guys see it. And there you have it, guys. Your curry chicken. Make under 10 minutes here in the Fitzy kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy it. Look how beautiful it is, yeah? My word. Yeah, man. Nice curry chicken make under 10 minutes. Unbelievable. Tastes good. Tastes nice. Alright? I hope you guys continue to watch Chef Fitzy on YouTube. Also Chef Fitzy on Instagram. Also on Facebook. Alright? Don't forget to press the subscribe button, because of that make the wheel run. Alright? Yeah, man, curry chicken. I'm out. Alright, let's do a taste test now. Want to see how best. Look at the texture. Look how it cook. Look how it look. Look how it nice. Let's do a quick taste test. My word. Somebody tell me about this curry chicken under 10 minutes. So nice.
Hey, don't know.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings